Hello everyone, today we are going to make a parrot using the doodling technique. We'll sketch a parrot and fill it in with interesting patterns. Over here, start by making a circle, make a C shape and then make another C shape from here and join it together forming a circle. Make a diagonal line like this. Then from this portion over here, make a line for the neck of the parrot and from here make the stomach area. From this part here, make the tail, join it with the straight line. Divide this line into two equal parts like this. Then from here, make a semicircle, then another semicircle like this. Over here, draw the line for the branch on which the parrot is sitting. Over here, make the eye a circle within a circle. And make the beak part here. Then add the second line for the branch here. From here make a line like this and make the leaf. Again make the center line, center vein line of the leaf and draw the side lines this way. Here. Again over here a leaf. From this part as well make another leaf. On the top as well a leaf here. Next over here make a flower, make a circle and around it add petals like this. Make another flower below the set of leaves that we have over here. This way. And another flower over here. Keep on adding flowers like this at some spaces here and there. That's it. We are done with the sketch. Now take a black marker and outline everything that is there on the paper. Once you are done with the outline, using an eraser, erase all the pencil lines. Once you are done with the erasing part, we'll start with the patterns. Take orange sketch pen and draw a line over here like this and start repeating the patterns after me. First you'll make a line like this, then like this. One line after the other from both the sides over here. Follow along and fill up the entire circle, the entire head part of the parrot. Next, on the beak, add lines like this on the upper part, and on the lower part add diagonal lines in this direction. Over here add straight lines like this. Make sure that the space in between the lines are uniform. Next, take orange sketch pen again and make lines like this and make them double. Make another line at some distance over here. Another one here. Double it up. Then here again. And another one over here. Next, take yellow sketch pen and start making semicircle patterns like this. The second line will be one semicircle in between the two. Then make another one, fill up this entire area, adding semicircle on top of the other. Then over here we'll add straight lines like this following the curve of the body. Here as well, again semicircles all the way to the bottom part. Next again we have lines like this following the line of the body. Then again semicircle. Then again line following the line of the body here. Next, after this, take dark green sketch pen and add lines like this. Curve it accordingly a little as you move down over here on this part. Then again, take orange sketch pen and add dots like this. Next, using a green sketch pen, add line next to the circle here. Then again take your dark green sketch pen and add this kind of a semicircle here. One line next to the other. Next, using a green sketch pen, add lines like this. My green sketch pen has a very thin point, so I'm darkening it up like this and making it broader as well. But in case you are having a green sketch pen that has a normal point that is neither too thin nor too thick, then you can do it in one go. Next, take a blue sketch pen and using it make diagonals like this in opposite direction. Start from the top over here and we'll go all the way to the bottom. Next, using purple sketch pen, add swirls over here on the flowers like this. Only in the middle portion. For the petals, we will use pink color. Take the pink sketch pen and add swirls on each petal individually. This way. Next, take your brown sketch pen and add mountain lines like this way. Then over here at the bottom part, add lines this way, add sleeping lines, one line next to the other. Do it on all the triangles that have formed over here, or the mountains, whatever you want to call it. Next, add vertical lines over here on all the spaces that are left over here. Next, using a ruler, make a diagonal line across the paper like this. Make sure when you are making the line, you do not run your sketch pen over the leaf or the parrot or the flower. Also, while using the ruler, be very careful so that you do not smudge the lines while moving the ruler towards the opposite direction. Next, using a green sketch pen, add lines on the leaves like this. Make them double lined over here. Then at a distance, add another line over here and make it double as well. Do this step for all the leaves that we have on the paper. Next, add dots next to this line over here like this. Add these dots on this line over here as well. Again, do this step for all the leaves present on the paper. Next, start adding lines like this on the space that is now left on the leaves. Again, repeat this step for all the leaves that are present on the paper. That's it. We are done with our picture.